I have here with me Isuzu NPR. The driver's complaint is overheat. So before I start to work, I make sure that I have my PPE with me and the materials that I needed. So first, I have here with me my safety hat. I have also my safety goggles and safety shoes and a comfortable uniform. So the first thing I do is check first the history and gathering information about the cars and also about what the driver complained. So I have here my guide in overheat troubleshooting. I made this also and I follow this every time. Almost all types of cars, vehicles, heavy equipment, everything. So the first one I did is gather information. So I check first the history of the car, if it has history already of overheat. So it comes out that this is the first time that the car has overheat. The second one is I asked the driver. He said that the overheat will occur only if he runs at speed of 60 km/h and beyond. So after that, we have already gathered our information. So the second step I will take is to verify if the problem is really exists or the problem is really exists, if it's really overheating. Sundan lang po. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to verify if the problem is really existing or if it's really overheating. So we will start up the engine for at least 5 minutes. So I've noticed already after opening the cap that there's a sign already of water leak. Okay. So after the inspection, I made this one inspection. So I've noticed already this one. There's a leak in here, but we will find out what will be the main cause. So probably the water level is already low. So it's already enough to check the engine. It's already hot. And one thing I've noticed after the inspection, the fan still turning around. It takes almost 10 seconds to stop. So after I make an inspection, there's a obvious sign here already of leak, and this one, the cooling fan and the clutch fan is not working well, or it's defective.